Good morning, kids. Jai Swami Narayan. Now, see, in GK, in book number 1, on page number 60, write down the date first and see what's about this chapter is keeping clean. What to keep clean? Do you think we should keep clean ourselves? Yes, we should. So, this chapter is about keeping clean yourself. Okay? Circle the thing that helps to keep the given body part clean in each set. We have few body parts here, right? And different things are here. Now we need to see among these three things which one can keep clean these hands. So can we clean our hands by this pot? No. So can we keep clean our hands by using this soap? Yes. So we will circle this. Okay. Now see, what is it? Mouth. So how can we keep our mouth clean? By umbrella? No. By this wristwatch? No. Then how can we keep our mouth clean? With the help of toothpaste and toothbrush, right? You brush your teeth daily, morning and at night. We should do that to keep our teeth clean. Now see, what is it? Hair. So what should we use to keep our hair tidy? Should we use this pen? No. Comb? Yes. So we will circle it. Now see, what's about this foot? Can we use this hat for this? No. So what we will use? We will use this nail cutter to trim the nails of this foot. Now look at the next page. On page number 61. Again we will write down the date here. Now see, draw lines to take the dirty clothes to the washing machine. Now see, we have many clothes here. Few are dirty and few are clean. So now what we have to do, we will draw line to load this dirty cloth in the washing machine to wash it. Now can you find out few more dirty clothes to load in washing machine? Yes, this one is dirty. Now see, this skirt is dirty. This jeans is dirty. Yes, this one is also dirty. So we will load all the dirty clothes in the washing machine. Right? You also load it. Okay? Bye-bye. See you. It's good morning. Jai Swami Narayan. See, again we have patterns. In book number 1 on page number 8. First, write down the date on the top. Trace and draw the left curves. See, this is called left curves. And we will draw this from up to down. Okay, it's like C, capital C. Then you write from red line to second blue line. Okay. Now see again. This is within two blue lines. It's like small c. And left curve. See. From up to down. Trace this first and then you write here from up to down. Okay. Now see this one. Again, from red line to blue line, one left curve, then blue to blue, one more left curve. How we will do? All together. See this and this. Okay. trace it in this way and then write down. So complete this page. Now on the next page, on page number 9, write down the date first. Again trace and draw the right curves. So we will, now these are the right curves. It is from red line to blue line. Okay, see, from up to down. Trace this first and then write here. See this one again, within 2 blue lines. See. Now look at here. See, from up to down. Okay. One curve from red to blue, then blue to blue. First blue line to second blue line. So complete these 2 pages. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Hello kids, I have 2 poems for you. The first one is quick, quack, quick. Quick, quack, quick. Quick, quack, quick. Mother duck calls. Quick, quack, quick. Quack, quack, you. I have worms for you. Come, little ducklings, form a queue. Now see the second one. Ellie the elephant. Ellie the elephant goes this way and that. She is so very big. She is so very fat. She sways her trunk from side to side. She takes us for a jolly ride. Thank you.